So you're probably wondering, what the heck are bioaerosols? Bioaerosols are airborne microorganisms that are composed of living things like bacteria and fungi and produced from living things like plants that produce pollen. Bioaerosols are always in the air. We're constantly breathing them in on a daily basis. But little is known about bioaerosols. What is known is their potential to cause respiratory illnesses, things like asthma, pneumonia, and bronchitis. What my goal is for my project is to look at these bioaerosols here in Las Vegas and see what we have in the air. What kind of bioaerosols do we have? How are they affecting our health? And this will be done over a 1-year span of 2015. So how am I going to do this? Well, first, we already have an established program. It's a joint program between the Clark County School District and UNLV. It's the Pollen and Mold Monitoring Program, in which I'm a supervisor of. So in this program, we have to have Nationally Allergy Bureau certified pollen and mold counters. We have currently 5 sampling sites in the city. We are the only major metropolitan city in the United States to have more than 2 samplers. So this gives us a huge advantage because we can look into these different microenvironments. See what's happening in Summerlin. Is there something different that's in Summerlin compared to North Las Vegas, compared to downtown? So once we get these air samples, we use microscopy methods to count them for total fungal and total pollen concentrations. From another program, we collect air filter samples and analyze those for DNA concentrations. So we're literally looking for how much copies of DNA of bacterial and fungal is in the air, something that has never been done before. Then we will take all of these measurements and compare them to particulate matter, a known air pollutant, known to cause respiratory illnesses. So you're probably wondering, well, why should I care? What's the significance of this? This data that we'll collect will be able to spatially map this and look for hot spots, look for trends in our city. We'll also be adding unknown knowledge in the field of bioaerosols. And then last, the goal of public health is to improve human health. This will be a great tool for healthcare providers to be able to come up with treatment plans and prevention methods to reduce the burden of asthma, pneumonia, and bronchitis in our most vulnerable populations, our children and our elderly. Thank you.